So I recently just purchased this water fountain for my cats. It just came in today. I just wanted to give a little review for anybody wanting to buy this. The instructions are super clear and easy. They come in different languages also, but I just used the English. Yeah, super easy to put together. Came with a base and the cord, obviously. Everything came nicely packaged. And the fountain itself is great. I actually really love it. It's perfect for my cats. It's got good flow on the spout. And it's extremely quiet. If you do hear buzzing in the background, that's not from the fountain, that's from my fish tank. So this is actually extremely quiet. It's really nice. It's nice and sleek. I love it. I'm very, very happy with my purchase. So if you're thinking about getting it, don't waste time, just buy it. It's really great. Definitely worth the money.